Good morning, everyone. We are back at it again. It is 4th of July weekend. It's crazy how fast this year has come by, but we are back at it again, out on the water. Small little lake, first time here, I've never tried it before. Looks like a nice lake, nice small little lake. Hopefully we can get on some big ones here for you guys. Little guy. Finally got a little bass. Finally got a little bass. Don't get me hooked. Little bass. There are some bass up in here. Raining a little bit. It's raining. There's a fish. There's a bass. Oh yeah, here we go. Right in that little pocket of weeds. On the Texas rig. It's starting to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard. This braid, you can feel the bite. That's why I like using braid. Little pounder. Another bass. Got these little pounders. Small little pounders. Got one. Got these pounders. 12 inches only. Small bass, but good action. All right. Been catching a whole bunch of dinks, but finally caught a decent pike. Look at this guy. Big pike. Send him on his way. Finally got a nice bass. Yes. Oh my goodness. 5-pounder, dude. 4-pounder. Oh, my battery died on this one. But look at this guy. Oh. Check that out. Right in that middle of the 3.5. It's about time. I didn't catch the hook set, but here he is. Here she is. Right on the drop. Got him. Beautiful, beautiful bass. There she goes. Oh, that was awesome. It's starting to rain a little bit, but overcast skies. Fish are biting. First cast. Oh, got off. So it was sunny this morning. Clouds moved in. It's been kind of sprinkling on and off the last couple hours here. Got him. I got this guy. I saw this guy chase my frog out. Ah, he got off in the weeds. Oh my goodness, these damn lily pads. I saw the wake coming. Oh, I saw the wake. Ah, gosh. Oh my god, a frog bite. And I don't know what happened, but I just got a huge bass. Probably a 4-pounder now for sure. Man, I don't know what is going on with my GoPro, but here he is in the net. On the frog bite. Alright. Let's get him off. Probably, this has got to be a 4-pounder. Oh. Look at that beautiful bass. Oh my gosh. Look at his belly. Look at this giant bass, dude. Ah. GoPro has not been on my side today. I don't know what is going on with it. But this guy came out from right over there. I don't know what's going on with my batteries, but it is not working right now. So that one, I don't know what's going on with that one either. That one's not recording either. But let's weigh this bad girl. Nice chunky bass. It's gotta be 4 right here. 4 for sure. What? 3 pounds. Three-pounder. I'll take her. All right. Send her on her way. There she goes. What is going on with you, GoPro? What is going on? You're not getting any of my hook sets today, man. All right. Hopefully, on the stretch back, you stay working. Oh, hike! Up hike. Alright guys, this is going to be it. Had a great time today. I actually ended up catching a couple nice bass, a couple 3-pounders, and a couple northerns. Brand new lake. Had a great time. Happy 4th of July. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on the next one.